The idea of Satyagraha. Jain students, this is next video lecture for class 10th history, chapter number 2, the idea of Satyagraha. Mahatma Gandhi returned to India in January 1915. As you know, he had come from South Africa, where he had successfully fought against British rule. The recent regime, with a novel method of the mass agitations, which he called Satyagraha. It was known as he named this movement in the form of Satyagraha, and he firstly started his Satyagraha in South Africa, as there was a huge discrimination between black and white peoples. The idea of Satyagraha emphasized the power of truth and the need to reach, to search for truth. It is suggested that if the curse and true, if the struggle was assisted in justice, the physical forces was not necessary to fight the oppressor. So he think that if you are true, you are fighting for injustice, and your ideas, your value are right, then there is no need to fight with oppressor in a physical manner and without any violence, without speaking vinegars or being aggressive. A Satyagraha could win the battle through in non-violence. So by non-violence you can also get the victory, as you can make compel that to oppressor, but you have to be firstly true and you are fighting against injustice. Then you can also get a victory on basis of Satyagraha in non-violential form. This could be done by applying to conscience of the oppressor. It creates change of the mentality of the oppressor. People, including the oppressor, had to be persuaded to see the truth instead of being forced to accept truth through the use of violence. By this struggle, truth was bound to ultimately triumph. Mahatma Gandhi believed that this dharma of non-violence could unite all Indians. We all know that India is the land of origin of so many religions, and every religion gives us a thought of truthness, a thought of non-violence. So he add this thing, ideology, with dharma of non-violence, as you get in Buddhist thought, Jainist thought, Hindus thought. So these thoughts was applying in his revolutions, in his movements. So Satyagraha is a thought of non-violence in which truth is a weapon which used against injustice. but in non-violential form.